Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best drone camera under $100 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best drone camera under $100, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. S5S Mini Drone 6K Profesional. The front lens is placed with wide-angle 6K high-definition Wi-Fi. The bottom high-definition lens with optical flow can switch the camera angle. The servo pan tilt is designed to increase stability, and the electronic anti-shake is added to make the photo line clearer. The height fixing function has the height keeping mode function, and the optical flow positioning and fixed point function has stable flight. Ultra long endurance 3.7 volts 1600 mAh Li-ion battery, which can last about 18 minutes. Customize the route. You can draw the picture you want to fly on the app mobile phone control, one button return, headless mode, ascending and descending, forward and backward, left and right side flight, handed gesture photography, optical flow positioning, brushless motor, ultra long endurance, obstacle avoidance head assembly, which can stop when encountering obstacles without colliding with them. Brushless motor provides more powerful power and longer service life. Number 2. High Definition Camera JJRC X25 Drone. Single Axis 90-degree Automatic Adjustment Camera. High Definition Camera. Body folding, one key start, GPS positioning, optical flow positioning, air pressure high, low speed switching, headless mode, outdoor, indoor mode switching, one key calibration, one key return, signal interruption automatic return, low power automatic return, built-in Wi-Fi link, real-time transmission, remote control built-in battery, aircraft modular battery, app control, mobile transmission, one-click unlock, one-click up, one-click down, one-click up/down/left/right steering, high and low speed adjustment, camera multifunctional switching, photography and video recording, owner tracking, palm control, GPS tracking, surround flight, waypoint flight, one-click return, 50x zoom, VR mode, emergency stop. Number 3. V10RC Mini Drone 4K Professional. Foldable creative body, allowing you to carry easily and without pressure. 4K pixels means that the details you see are 4 times that of 1080p HD images. You can watch the aerial pictures in real time through your mobile phone. The pictures are smooth and clear. No need for remote control operation. Rich in functions and more fun. 2.4 GHz high frequency signal, and supports multiple simultaneous playing without interfering with each other. Takeoff, land, return to home and other operations can be realized by one key of the remote control. Choose according to proficiency. The high bright night light recognition, so that you are still unimpeded at night. Powerful functional experience, multiple intelligent flight. Swing the phone left and right to control the flight. Number 4. Z888 Drone 4K Drone Professional. Adopt more intelligent multi-directional obstacle avoidance technology. With 4K high-definition dual camera and intelligent hovering positioning, easy to get started, easy to operate, 60 cm perception, worry-free flight with front, left, right and 3-way environmental perception capabilities equipped with LED fill light, infrared obstacle avoidance sensor, can sense at distance of obstacles. When encountering obstacles it will avoid when you are in, making your control easier and simple! The machine adopts a classic 3-dimensional folding design which feels just right. Even after passing thousands of folds, still guarantee the stability of flight. Folded aircraft surface. The product is only equivalent to a mobile phone, so you can easily master it with one hand. Smart hover, easy to get started during the flight. The drone will automatically maintain a stable suspension in real time. Stop, no need to throttle to grasp the height, easy to get started. Number 5. Hot RC Emax Tinyhawk 33 RTF Kit Drone. Emax Tinyhawk 33 RTF Kit FPV Racing Drone F45A15000 KV Run Cam Nano 437CH25 100 to 200 mW VTX FR Sky D8W/controller and goggles. Image and Emax Transporter 2 FPV goggles with a detachable screen and built-in DVR flight controller. Has an MCU STM32F411 C6 with an IMPU 6000 gyros.